Look at the beauty the winter has brought. Wow, this is just wow. Damn, it's slippery. At least the fall was very light and fleshy. Ah. Oh, these roads turning is just wonderful. Especially with all the snow. Looks so good to me. Everything looks so much better with snow, actually. Loving this season. It's not winter yet, but it's only like 2 weeks left until December, and it's officially winter then. Although it's not guaranteed that the snow will stay. I can almost be certain that all of the snow will be melted by like 3 days. But I'm enjoying the moment. It's a very relaxing to be in nature with all of these elements, like the falling snow and the wind, and very nice. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I'm a bit too close. Oh, wow, that's steep. Oh, should be way further. I can hear some birds chirping, but I cannot see them. A lot of ravens. Oh, and I see a woodpecker. Hello, mister. But he's hiding. Finally, at least some birds. I can't get them in focus actually, but they're chasing each other. Oh, nice. I've got him. What are they doing? Almost got him in between the trees. Would have been a great shot. Oh, wow. And the woodpecker here. he's still in there. Oh yeah, yeah, he is. Oh, he flew away. Yeah, I've just met a forester who's working in this forest area. Yeah, we changed a few words, and he told me something that I didn't know, is that deers, for example, are a bit afraid of the first snow because it sounds different, it feels different, and they behave a bit differently. So that is why they are not walking that much now, and later on they will get used to it and will probably just behave as usual in winter time. But I'm still very happy to be here in the forest, in nature, exploring things. Very beautiful birdhouse. I wonder for which type of bird is it made for? Some type of owl, or it must be owl, yeah, with this big of a hole. There is a woodpecker in this big oak, but I can't find him with my camera. The branches look very nice from up below the tree. This road would be perfect for photography if an animal would cross the road. But unfortunately, I haven't spotted or even heard a single animal today. A few road there just ran by. Oh, finally I saw something. I really lost my hope to even spot an animal. This oak is 260 years old and it is very stunning. Wow. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god. Yes. I've spotted a deer finally. Finally. Not only did I spot it, but I've took a photo of it as well, and the photo seems to be pretty good. Yeah. So almost 9,000 steps and like 3 hours. And I finally spotted some animals which I could photograph. I'm so happy. Oh my god, I'm so tired. But at least I've made some good shots. There's a woodpecker in this oak and a lot of smaller birds in the trees around this oak. The downside of winter and snow is this. it gets snow all over your camera and yourself, of course, which is definitely not ideal for longevity of the camera. Oh my gosh, my zipper. So I spotted a bird trying to get into this hole in the tree, and yeah, the bird is very small, but I still took some photos of him. Oh, he's over there again. These are the long-tailed tits, and they are so cute because they have this fluffy white on their chest and they look just so adorable. Wow, I haven't seen them in so long. I'm heading back to the car as I'm really hungry, and also it is getting darker a bit by bit, and also some snow got into my boots and now it's melted and my legs are wet. So this will be it for today. I really hope you will enjoy this video, as I really liked walking in the woods again, just in the winter. And this forest is completely new to me, and I think that it has a lot of potential. Some type of prey bird just flew by, but I wasn't ready, and I took a photo of him, but it was very far away.